Elon Musk, who has his fingers in many pies, revealed that his brain interface technology company Neuralink will start implanting chips into the brains of humans by 2022. While talking at the Wall Street Journal CEO Council Summit on Tuesday, December 7, the Tesla and SpaceX chief updated about the status of Neuralink and stated that the chip is working fine in monkeys. Earlier in April, the company had shared a video of a monkey, implanted with the chip, playing ping pong with his mind. Talking about the monkey that became an internet sensation after his mind pong video, Musk said that the animal, despite having a chip in his brain, looked normal and added that playing the game telepathically is profound. Further in his interview, he stated that the only thing keeping Neuralink away from human trials is the approval from the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, as the chip, which can also be removed, has proven to be safe.